Welcome to Community Foundations of Canada's application portal. In this video, you will learn how to create an account and how to create an application for the Canada Healthy Communities Initiative through Community Foundations of Canada. If you are a returning user, you will be able to access your account via the login button located in the top right-hand corner. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account before you can create an application. To do so, click the Register button located in the top right-hand corner. When you register an account, you will need to provide some details, including a first name, a last name, an email address, as well as a password. And confirm that you are not a robot. Once you have created an account, you will need to confirm your email. To start an application for the Canada Healthy Communities Initiative, applicants must first complete an eligibility quiz. In this section, applicants will indicate what type of eligible organization is applying, as well as a subtype. Upon submitting the form, eligible applicants will receive access to additional sections which must be completed. In Section 1, applicants will provide details about their organization. Select information that was provided during the registration phase will already be pre-populated. However, applicants must still provide a phone number as well as their preferred language. Applicants will then provide their organization address, the city it is located in, and a postal code and province. Applicants must also provide the year their organization was established, and they will have a space to provide information about any of their relevant digital platforms. All organizations must then also provide details about their background, mission, and mandate, as well as be given the space to provide a description of the relationships with their community and how community engagement is integrated into their work. Applicants will then also indicate whether they are applying in collaboration with other community partners or as individuals. Finally, we invite all applicants to let us know how they heard about the Canada Healthy Communities Initiative. In Section 2 of the application, applicants must provide a project title and indicate which of the Healthy Communities Initiative's theme their project primarily focuses on. If there is a secondary theme, those may also be selected here. All applicants must then provide details about their project. How does the project address the themes of the initiative and benefit the public during COVID-19? Why is this project important, and how has community been engaged in the design? Applicants will then also be given a chance to identify if individuals representative of the populations they seek to serve are involved in the decision-making and delivery of the project, and if so, in what capacity. Applicants must then also provide details about the project design, the work plan, and timeline. Applicants should also provide details about how the project will reach the communities that they wish to serve. For projects that are digital in nature, applicants should describe how their project addresses any digital design considerations and how data that is generated will be managed responsibly. The Canada Healthy Communities Initiative is looking to support organizations and may offer later to successful applicants a mentorship opportunity. If you are interested, please indicate and identify the areas that you would benefit from mentorship in. Organizations will also indicate who their project primarily serves, whether that is the general public or a specific community that has been disproportionately affected by COVID-19. Applicants are invited to select up to 3 primary populations. They may also indicate, however, any additional populations which are being supported. Applicants will also have to produce permits and approvals and let us know what may be required for the project to continue. If you wish to upload any documents to support your application, applicants may do so in the project documents section. In section 3 of the application, applicants must indicate where their project is located. There are 17 regions across Canada and 1 region which covers multiple areas. Please indicate where your project will take place. Applicants must then also indicate whether their project is happening at the same location where their organization is based, or if it is in a different location. If it is in a different location, please provide all of the relevant location addresses or coordinates for the project, and provide any photos or maps which may be relevant as well. Applicants should then select the dates of their projects and confirm what funding request range they are looking for. In the Canada Healthy Communities Initiative, projects can apply for between $5,000 and $100,000, or for projects over $100,000 up to $250,000. After entering a funding request amount, please also let us know if the project can continue if awarded a smaller amount, and provide a budget. If your budget requires any additional context, please enter those notes in the space provided. In section 4 of the application, applicants will need to indicate whether their organization owes any funds to the Government of Canada, and if so, under what program, how much, and what the repayment plan is. Applicants will also need to indicate if their project involves former public servants that are subject to the following acts. Again, if people are involved, please indicate the details of their involvement in the project. In this section, applicants will also declare that they are submitting their application for consideration. They must also confirm that the contents of the application may be used in the work of Community Foundations of Canada, its network of foundations, the Canadian Urban Institute, technical partners, and/or the Government of Canada, and they must also confirm that they have the signing authority to submit this proposal. Applicants must then sign for the application and mark their application as complete. In the final section of the application, organizations will confirm their eligibility by either providing a link to a registered database or providing relevant documents and identifiers. If organizations choose to confirm their eligibility via relevant documents, they must provide corporate documents and/or filings, financial statements for the past fiscal year, and a list of the board and/or management team. Once the files have been uploaded, you can mark this section as complete.